clean your body daily with these 10 foods. Following a healthy diet is the first thing we should do if we want to maintain our health in check. Eating certain foods can restore balance in our body and detoxify it, effectively eliminating all the toxins. The following 10 foods can clean your body. 1. Lemons. Lemons are an excellent source of antioxidants and vitamin C, which can eliminate toxins from your body and boost your immune system. They are one of the best detoxifying foods. Lemons can improve the function of your gallbladder and liver and improve digestion. According to the experts, you should consume a glass of warm water as the first thing in the morning. 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain vitamin C and other nutrients that will protect your cardiovascular system and keep your health in check. They are packed with lycopene, a rare powerful antioxidant that can fight free radicals and eliminate toxins. To detoxify your body, eat a bowl of tomato salad every day along with some protein. 3. Grapes. Grapes are packed with antioxidants and other compounds which can purify your blood, regulate cholesterol, clean your tissues, and improve digestion and liver function. Their effectiveness is due to the antioxidant known as resveratrol, which can be found in red wine as well. 4. Celery. Celery is one of the healthiest vegetables ever. It can effectively clean toxins and waste materials from your body. Moreover, it has potent diuretic properties that can prevent fluid retention. Due to its content of fiber, celery can improve digestion and blood flow. You can mix it with some beets and apples to prepare a healthy smoothie. 5. Asparagus. Asparagus has the ability to eliminate toxins through the urine. It is packed with many essential nutrients that will significantly boost your overall health. 6. Apples. Apples are very beneficial for your health. They are a great source of fiber which can clean your blood of toxins, regulate your cholesterol levels, and improve your mental health. Apples can improve digestion and satisfy your cravings, thus preventing overeating and weight gain. You can eat them raw, or add them to fruit salads or smoothies. 7. Pomegranate. It is an excellent source of fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin. Many studies showed that pomegranate can fight numerous diseases, including cancer. This is due to its effectiveness to fight free radicals. You can eat this fruit raw, add it in salads, or prepare it in the form of tea. Works great against diarrhea. 8. Onion. Onion has potent antibacterial properties and is perfect for the elimination of toxins. It has been used as a natural remedy against asthma, blood toxicity, nasal congestion, and digestive problems. You can add this vegetable to your salads and meals. However, to get the most benefits, you should eat it raw. 9. Artichoke. Artichokes are very beneficial for your liver. They can prevent fluid retention and detoxify your body. This vegetable contains fiber, vitamins and minerals, all of which can improve digestion. It can also improve your bile flow and lead to better detoxification. 10. Parsley. This herb has strong anti-inflammatory properties. It is rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, and can effectively clean your liver, kidneys, and intestines. Parsley can promote sodium excretion and prevent fluid retention. Drink a cup of parsley, or add some in your meals.